All right, welcome back, Algebra 1. We are finishing up the Chapter 7 review. This is 13 through 18, where we need to multiply the two binomials. We can use any method that we want. Remember, we've got two methods that we can use. We've got FOIL, and we've got the box. You can do these any way that you want. I'll show some for FOIL and show some for box. If you're more comfortable with FOIL, use FOIL. If you're more comfortable with box, use box. You've got the freedom to choose. So, for number 13, I'm going to start with FOIL. So my firsts are this 7 times 7, 7b times 7b. That gets me 49b squared, because I got two b's after I multiply them. My outers are this 7b and this positive 2. 7 times 2 is 14. So I've got 14b. My inners, my I, are my 7 times 7b. 7 times 7 is 49. So we got 49b. My lasts are 7 times 2, which is 14. From there, we combine like terms. I've got a 14b and a 49b that look the same to me. I copy down the 49b squared because nothing goes with b squared. 14 plus 49 should be 63. So 63b. And then there's nothing we can combine the 14 with, so we just have a plus 14 hanging out at the end. And that's how we FOIL that one. Number 14, I'm going to use the box method. So I'm going to make my little box there. My first binomial I'm going to put on top. We got 3r, and here I've got a minus 6. And here on the left-hand side, I've got an 8r and then a negative 7. So there's your box method. And here we go. We do 8 times 3, and it goes in the upper left box. 8 times 3 is 24, and I've got r squared hanging out there too. 8r times negative 6 goes in the upper right. That is 48. In fact, that's a negative 48r. So negative 48r. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21r. Negative 7 times negative 6. Negative times a negative is a positive. And that is positive 42. Now right below here, I'm going to go ahead and just copy down what I see and then combine my terms. 24r squared minus 48r minus 21r plus 42. Here I combine the negative 48 and the negative 21. And I'm going to put all my work up here. I'm going to put my answer here. So we got 24r squared. Negative 48 minus 21 is, I believe, negative 69. Negative 69r, and then we've got a plus 42. 15, 16, 17, and 18. I think I'm going to FOIL these just because I think it's a little bit quicker. So, n times 5n, that's 5n squared. N times negative 4, negative 4n. 5 times 5n, that's plus 25n. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Combine your negative 4 and positive 25, so you're left with 5n squared plus 21n minus 20. Number 16. Once again, I'm going to FOIL because I think it's just a little bit quicker. X times 7x, 7x squared. X times 1 is a plus 1x. Negative 5 times positive 7 is minus 35, so minus 35x. Negative 5 times a positive 1 is negative 5. Combine your like terms. So you've got a 7x squared minus 34x minus 5. Oh, excuse me. Last two, 17 and 18. Here we go. Once again, FOIL. 6 times 5. Multiply the numbers first. I've got A and A. That's 2 A's, so I've got A squared. 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. I've only got one A there, so 42A. Negative 8 times a positive 5 is minus 40A. Negative 8 times negative 7 is a positive 56. Now, you may have noticed that some of these numbers, after you multiply them, they're getting a little bit large. Don't let that intimidate you. You've got a calculator for a reason if you need the help. So, combine our like terms. We got a negative 42A minus a 40A. That leaves me with a 30A squared, because nothing else has an A squared. And that is minus 82A. And here I've got a positive 56. And that's the answer to number 17. Number 18. Once again, FOIL. 6R times 4R is my firsts. So 6 times 4 is 24. How many R's do you have after multiplying? 2 of them. So we have got R squared. 6 times 6 is positive 36. And I've got 1 R after multiplying. 4 times 4 is 16. So I've got a plus 16R. 4 times 6 is a positive 24. So here we go. We got 24R squared. Combine these two, 36 and 16, that is 52. So 52R plus 24. So these are all the answers that you should have gotten. As you know, the answer key is always posted at the bottom. So if you've ever got any questions, you can always refer to that, or you could refer to these videos as often as you need. But anyway, that's the end of the review. Happy studying. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you've got questions, email one of us. Just so that you are aware, today is Monday the 27th. I will be unavailable starting at 1:15 and hopefully until about 1:45. So I'll be unavailable for at least half an hour. Hopefully it'll be shorter than that. I've got a meeting I got to go to. But I just wanted to keep you in the know of what I will be doing. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you later.